You've got a 74 Corvette for a good customer of mine, Tom Argy Design. He did some work to it, modified the suspension, put coilovers on it, took the monoleaf off. And the last thing that really needed to be done was to modify the exhaust for the new suspension. Took the old exhaust from the headers back to the muffler, redesigned it, put all new stainless steel X-pipe on it, and this is what we got. Spare tire here, and when they converted this, the actual monoleaf let the exhaust come out wider, and that's what it was made for. So basically I'm going to make it come in here a lot narrower under the rear end instead of out here where it used to.
Okay. So what did they do to the back of this car then?
So they converted it from a monoleaf. We used to have a single leaf spring in it to coilovers.
Oh, okay. Man, this car's so clean underneath.
Looks like a very nice conversion too. But this is still based off of an old school frame, if it is. This isn't one of the new tube chassis frames.
Oh, no?
Tubular lower control arms for the coilover conversion. Big sway bar. Yeah, look for me though, because if not, I'll bring some. That's probably one of the least one across the room. Injection. Fires
Yeah,
right up.
fires right up, huh?